Okay, so what you're gonna have to do to submit ticket in GCash, let's first open the app, and then here you should have here at the bottom, you should have help center. Click on that, and then here we can see here product services. Now this is the problem I had with GCash, and I had to look for a way to fix it. So I head over here, I open the help center, and then here the product, we can click on. Here we have products and services. We're gonna click on your account, so let's click on here, and then here manage your account or verify your account, and then here I can click on account security, or maybe verify online via partner. This one, or we can your GCash account and then verify your account. All right, so here when you click on verify your account, see all articles, we can see and scroll down here, get full verified. If you click on that as well, and then you scroll down, here we should see submit a ticket here, and then here, as you can see, we have the option to submit a ticket. So here we're gonna have to enter our email, we're gonna have to enter our register phone number, country, phone number, your account type, ID, submit it for verification, and provide also all the details, so they will help you. So I hope guys you found this helpful. I hope this guides you exactly to find the option to submit ticket. Thanks for watching, and subscribe and like this video if you found this helpful.